Whizkids English Class!
Hello everyone and welcome to Whizkids English Club. So today's story is about 3 faithful elephants. The story is based in Ueno Zoo in Tokyo in Japan. So, war has been the greatest threat to humanity. Building a peaceful world has never been easy and never been accomplished by many nations. Who possesses the key to peace, to achieving peace? Is it you? Is it I? Or the people that run our country? Everyone deserves peace, even animals. Our story is about 3 faithful elephants written by Yukio Tsuchiya. This story is based on true events that happened during World War II at the Ueno Zoo in Tokyo, Japan. Many years ago, there were 3 wonderful elephants at the Ueno Zoo. The elephants were John, Tonki, and Wenli. They could do tricks. Visitors loved seeing their tricks. Wow! These people really love watching these elephants do their tricks, don't they?
Yes, especially Tonki and Wenli.
Yeah.
And you know John?
Yeah?
John is a very smart elephant.
Oh, he's very intelligent. All of them are, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, but John is really smart, yeah. Japan was at war then. Little by little, situation is getting worse. Bombs were dropped in Tokyo almost every day. Oh no, Ray! They started bombing again!
Yes, we have to go somewhere else safe.
Yes, let's go to the bunker. I think it'll be safe there.
Okay, but what about the animals? John, Tonki, and Wenli.
Don't worry, they'll be okay. Don't worry. Let's go somewhere safe.
Okay, let's go.
During this time in Japan's history, the Japanese army requested that all Japanese zoos poison their large and dangerous animals because they were afraid that the animals would escape and harm the general public if a bomb detonated on the zoo. Oh no, this is sad.
Hey Eddie, what's that all about?
The army wants us to put down all the large and dangerous animals.
Put down the animals?
Yes.
How are we going to do that?
They want us to put poison in their food.
Poison? Why not just shoot them?
Yeah, they don't want to cause public panic. They don't want anyone to know about this. That's why they want us to do this. Yeah, I don't think I'll be able to do it. What about you?
No, I can't.
Yeah.
But we have to follow orders.
Yes, that's right. Soon it was time to kill the 3 elephants. The zookeepers did not want to kill them, but they had to follow orders. They started with John. John loved potatoes, so they gave John poisoned potatoes with good ones. But John was too clever. He only ate the good potatoes.
Poor John. Okay, try feeding him with these poisoned potatoes.
Okay, I'll try. Here, John. Here's your favorite potato that you love to eat. Try them.
Look! John is so smart. He knows that those potatoes are poisoned.
Yeah, I think so.
He won't eat them.
Oh, I have an idea. Why don't we inject the poison?
You mean injecting the poison directly to John?
Yeah, what do you think? That'll be more effective.
We can try it.
Okay, let's try that. Yeah.
Okay.
Then they tried to inject John with poison. But John's skin was too thick. the needle would not penetrate. Do you have the poison with you?
Yes, I have it right here.
Okay, let's give it to John.
Poor John.
Yeah, man, this is really sad. Okay.
Okay.
Oh, I'm sorry, John. Please forgive us. The needle can't go in. His skin is too hard.
I knew it.
What shall we
I
do?
was expecting that one. Why not just starve them to death?
You mean to don't give them any food?
Yes.
To starve them?
Yes.
Starve them to death. That might work.
Yeah, but it's gonna take a long time. Maybe a few weeks?
Yeah, but we have orders.
Okay.
Finally, they decided to stop giving John any food. Poor John died in 17 days.
I really feel sorry for these wonderful animals.
Yeah, that's right. You know, they don't deserve to die like this.
They don't. But we have to still do it with Wandi and Tondi.
Oh, yes, we have. But we have orders, so. Then the time came for Tonki and Wenli. They always looked at people with loving eyes. They were sweet and gentle-hearted. However, the elephant keepers had to stop giving them anything to eat. When a keeper walked by their cage, they stood up and raised their trunks in the air. They did their tricks because they were hoping to get food and water. Look at Tonki and Wanli. They're raising their trunks again.
I know. They're hoping to get some food and water by doing their tricks.
I really feel sorry for them. We took care of them.
I know.
And now, we'll end their lives by starving them to death.
Yes. They will die soon. It's just a matter of days now.
Tonki and Wenli died of starvation. Tonki was the last to die after 4 weeks of hunger. They repeatedly attempted to get food by showing off their tricks. She died on September 23rd, 1943. If only they had lived a little longer, then the war may end and their lives would be saved.
I know. But people will always remember John, Tonki, and Wandi.
Goodbye, my friends.
Yeah, goodbye, my friends.
See you again. If the war had ended a little sooner, these 3 wonderful and faithful elephants would have lived a long and happy life.